Welcome back, guys. Today, I'm going to do another reading, another English comprehension reading. I want you to listen to my pronunciations about a story about we are all born free and equal. We, you and me, we are all born free and equal. Listen to this story. David lives in a small town with his family. The town is pretty ordinary. Everyone goes to school. Everyone goes to work at the town's factory, and no one asks any strange questions. But David is different. He does not want to go to school. David, he does not want to go to school. He wants to work and help his family. He does not want to work at the town's factory. He wants to open his own store. David wants to open his own store. And he always asks these strange questions to everyone. Why do you do this? And why do you do that? Everyone laughs. Everyone laughs at David. And no one really takes David seriously. No one except his friend Orlando. Orlando looks at David as a person with his own thoughts and ideas. He treats him respectfully. Orlando treats David with respect. Orlando likes David, even though they disagree sometimes. Time goes on, time goes by, and David grows his business. David's business is making money. He grows his business. His hard work and sharp mind pay off. And he now has a chain of stores. David now has many, many, many stores. He is a wealthy man now. David is a rich man now. He rarely comes to visit his city. David rarely goes to visit his hometown. But when David does visit his city, his hometown, there is one thing he always remembers. There's one thing David always remembered. He always remembered his good friend Orlando and their respectful relationship. And now that David can help, he always helps Orlando in times of need. David now helps Orlando when Orlando needs help or finances. Play this video often and listen to my pronunciations on this lesson. And I'll see you next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Till next time, bye.